That guy did stop. Like, at all.
More millennials are selling their homes in the city to finance a cabin or condo in the woods. We look at the creative ways young people are buying recreational property.
CFL's first star of the week is Argos quarterback Ricky Ray. Sports at 45.
Stock indices are flat with the exception of the NASDAQ, which is sagging. His reputation preceded Martin Shkreli into court, which is why his lawyer tried to get a mistrial after potential jurors said negative things about him. Money News at 56.
Ask if they carry your birth certificate on you.
No, they don't, Aaron. I know they don't. Okay.
Do you know where it is at your mom's house?
Yeah, I do. Because I was just gonna ask, because I need my birth certificate. Oh, is that guy gonna run?
Red light! Oh, so red!
Oh my god. Wow, okay.
Hella red!
So you're just like blue or red light?
It is now 6:09 at News 11:30, and in entertainment, a massive classic rock festival kicks off in California this weekend. It'll be the first full concert for the Eagles without Glenn Front. Down here in Madison, that's why Saturday night is Classic West with Dodger Stadium here in LA, and they're sharing the bill.
You can't not love the Doobie Brothers.
Eagles guitars.
Every weekend right now.
Scott?
Yeah.
I actually hate this.
Oh!
Oh!
Did I get that? I hope I got that.
What happened?
That guy was fucking drifting. He went like sideways.
I
Like,
saw that part, but I thought maybe it cut someone off.
no, he was doing a U-turn.
Oh.
Yeah, you drifted.
It is the otter, right?
Yeah. Oh my god, the sun was in my eyes. I didn't know if, I don't think the camera. Oh man. I see-
Queensboro Bridge, but it's very busy in both directions because of that, and the Alex Fraser Bridge seems to be moving okay. We do have another accident.
What
this
the
one
fuck?
in Richmond on the east-west connector. As you're approaching the Alex Fraser Bridge,
He's on. What the
slowed
fuck?
down just past the S curve, a 3-car pileup,
Well, he's
and
doing it. I'm
that's
gonna
got
do
the
it.
left lane blocked. We also have
Yeah, the truck stopped him!
Oak Street Bridge, not yet, but later on tonight, in about an hour and 20 minutes, they're going to be shutting down the Oak Street Bridge.
It's like George can do making 4 by himself. I've seen him do it. So I'm like, oh no, 2 people will make it go faster. No, it won't. George can offload the glass. Are you fucking retarded?
Dude, I see people do that all the time.
That fucking bike probably was like, what the fuck, man? Hope he has a GoPro on his chin. Yeah, it's after the curvy curves. And just,
Oh, 100%. It's like literally just before we start going towards the
Oh.
ground.
Retard.
Huh?
He said retard.
The study found that those with uninterrupted sitting time of more than 30 minutes, combined with a daily inactivity period of greater than 12 hours, oh dear, had the highest risk of death. We are doomed, Mike.
We are doomed, sitting here on 50 minutes at a time. By the way, a hip accelerometer. Imagine wearing one of those and people asking, what is that? Oh, it's my hip accelerometer.
Chevron has even more cleaning power in every grade, every liter. Chevron with Chevron, care for your car.
News 11:30 meteorologist Russ Lacade is here now with details on the 5-day forecast. For you, the last weekend of summer is almost upon us, Russ, and at least half of it looks pretty good.
Yeah, half of it is summery, exactly. I was just about to say that. And today is